leaking when you cough or sneeze. It's allergy season, so let's get this right. What you need to do, you need to do your Kegel beforehand. It's also beneficial to make sure coughing, sneezing, laughing, you're not bending forward, because that's just going to create a whole pressure system. It's going to push all the air onto the bladder, and if your pelvic floor muscles are weak, they're not going to be able to hold against that pressure.